Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh, our YouTube channel. Now today I will teach you the physics in physics as we are studying as we studying the gravitations. In gravitations we have studied a lot about the gravitation. Now we will study the some most and very important terms that is called buoyancy and the pressure in fluids. So one by one, so we will discuss about the pressure in fluids. Here is the physics and the pressure in fluids. Pressure in fluids. Pressure in fluids. Okay. What is pressure in fluids? Pressure in fluids means the tendency of liquids. What is the fluids? First of all, we will define the pressure. We know that. So fluids. What is fluids? Tendency. All the liquids. All liquids and gases are together. All liquids and gases together called fluids. Example: water and air. Water and air are good examples of the fluids. So called fluids and water and air is good solids exert pressure. Okay. So here is the good example of the fluids. As we know that air the exerts here. So now solid exert pressures on the on an surface. Solid exert pressure on a surface. Why? Because it's have a weight and a mass also. So on the surface, due to the weight. Due to weights is available here in a solid, so that's why. But liquids also has some liquid and gases that makes the fluids. It's also have a weights, so it's also exert pressures. We know that. So what is the pressure? P is equal to F by A. P is equal to F by A. As we know that P is equal to F by A. It's included in area. So due to the pressure, solid exert pressures on a surface, and due to the weight is available here. So the fluids exert pressure in all directions. Fluids exert pressure in all direction of the object or containers, having in containers. So it is the fluids, and now we will discuss about the buoyancy. This is the buoyancy. What is buoyancy? Buoyancy is the very important term, and we have to understand it's well by words well. So the buoyancy, it is the mode. Buoyancy means that's the very lightness. Lightness means that the tendency of liquid. This is, suppose that we are going to explain it. The tendency of liquid that exert tendency of liquid to exert an upward an upward force on an object. Okay, on an object. So upward force on an object immersed in it. It is called buoyancy. Okay, buoyancy. It is also called It is a buoyancy, and the buoyancy is a types of force. So how we will discuss about the buoyancy as a force? So we will take here sir, buoyancy force. So we will describe here buoyancy force. What is buoyancy? It is an upward force, upwards, which tends. It is an upward. So, buoyancy always be says buoyancy always be is a thrusted upward force which act on an object. Upward force which act on an object, and in all directions, as you know, that's an act on an object when it is immersed in a liquid. When it is immersed in a liquid, okay, in a liquids also called, it is also said to be in a liquid, that is why it is also called, it is also called, what does it also called? It's also called up thrust force, thrust force. It is the upward thrust force. Due to the upward thrust force, generally say that the heavy object that seem to be lighter. That is why due to the buoyancy, heavy object seem to be lighter in liquid. Okay, due to the buoyancy. Now we will discuss about the factor that are between buoyancy and also the related terms on the buoyancy, its natures, and also where does it applications also in another video. Thank you very much for coming on channel. Once again, I am telling you that don't forget to say subscribe and write a comment so that you can receive the video easily. Okay, bye bye.